What's up everybody, Jack here from Half Chrome. Today I've got a couple of accessories from Cynova and I wasn't super sure if they'd be any good, and I've been super pleasantly surprised. Right here off the bat you can see I've got this backpack, really high quality. I'll tell you all about it. Plus, now I thought this was gonna be a gimmick, but this landing pad from Cynova has this LED strip along the sides. Pretty nice, especially if you're flying at night. So stay tuned and we'll talk about these accessories from Cynova and figure out if they're the accessories for you. All right, so let's take a look at this backpack, and starting with the design here, right? We've got this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shell on the front, keeping everything inside protected. And this right now has an insert for my Mavic 3, right? It's a nice foam insert, got a spot for my remote. I can take this out in case I have the smart controller. A couple other spots I can fit 4 batteries, chargers, and things up here. You can see I've got my filters and a handful of other accessories inside here. Good padding on the inside and on the sides. It's padded. Really nice design. I can also remove this foam insert and put in these padded inserts and kind of customize it if I want it to be more like a standard camera bag. And I think is actually what I might do, just because it gives me a little bit more flexibility. But let's look at some of the other features of this nice backpack. Right up here in the top, I've got a nice compartment where I'm keeping my bonus drone, right? You never know if you need an extra drone. Why not throw in the Mini? Actually, this is the Mini 2. It's a great backup drone. This is a nice little spot for that. I could even get my Air 2S up here if I want. I've got a nice little zipper up here. Another small place to store things. On both sides, I have spots kind of for water bottles or things like that. A built-in keychain holder. That's really nice. Kind of move along the side, I've got a spot for my cell phone, so that's kind of nice to have there. Good padding on the back, strap to kind of help relieve some of the tension. You can see these straps here inside. We've got kind of a spot here where I would put either this landing pad or a laptop. They also have a spot where you put one of those camelback water pouches, and you kind of thread that through here and bring it down, you know, so if you're hiking with your drone and you're thirsty, you don't have to stop for water. Along the side here, I've got another spot for another water bottle. Overall, I've been really impressed with the workmanship of this backpack. It just really is a nice backpack. In the bottom here, they've even included a rain guard, right? So I can put this over my backpack if it's raining. That's pretty nice. Now, it isn't going to be fully waterproof like, you know, say this backpack. If you remember, I dunked this thing in my fish tank and it's going to float. That's not going to be the case for this backpack. So you kind of have to decide, you know, do you want something that you can throw on your back, say if you're hiking or camping, or do you want something, you know, if you're boating where you need it to be able to float if it was to fall overboard. So that's just something that you kind of have to think about. Now let's reconfigure the inside of this backpack and make it more of, say, a traditional camera bag. So the way I have it configured right now, I've got a whole lot of extra space. I think I can even get in my Evo 2 Pro. You know, that's a pretty solid backup drone right there. And then I put the remote for my Evo 2 Pro up top here. And I could even take out, since the, I can even keep my Mini 2 since it uses the same remote as the Mavic 3. So if I have to repair them, I can do that. So yeah, nice little backpack, good quality landing pad with some LED lights, great for flying at night. So Cynova, they've got some decent products if you're looking to upgrade your Mavic 3, Air 2S, Evo 2 Pro. Not a bad idea. Check them out. If you're interested, we got links in the description down below for all of these things. And make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. And don't forget about our live streams where we stream Sunday nights. We give away drones, have some fun. Hope to see you there. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.